This part is muddy. Can't walk past this point because there's footprints in mud and Kawah Putih! Kawah Putih! To get to Kawah Putih, your ride is going to be about 2.5 hours, 3 hours maybe. And once you get to the entrance, you have to go another 5 kilometers up and down. Very windy road. So yeah, better to go by car, hire a driver, because it'll be more relaxing for you, so you don't have to worry. And the tour I found was split with 4 people. You pay the driver 600,000, that's total, so 150 for the ride, transportation 350,000 rupiah for the ticket, and that includes the entrance and lunch. So past the main entrance, there's a long winding road to go uphill, and you can already smell the sulfur on the way. So it's 5 kilometers up and down some hills. If you need a toilet in Kawah Putih on arrival, this is your only choice. So yeah, be prepared or go to the bathroom before. Don't drink too much coffee. 10:30, we officially started the hike. And here, Kawah Putih is forest and a mountain. There was a monkey sighting. We have a monkey spotting somewhere. Oh, it's going there. I didn't catch it on camera. Sorry, but there was definitely a big monkey. You gotta watch ahead here. Hike is going well, not difficult at all. And it's cool, very cool weather. We arrived. This is official. Oh, it's amazing that we have this such clear, beautiful weather. It's sunny and warm. So I'm glad this weather's so perfect, because all the other videos I've seen where people are in the fog, and it's mist and fog and sulfur and smoke. But here it's clear, crystal clear weather, sky, beautiful hike. And yeah, the trees, I thought it'd be more trees without branches, but surprisingly there's a lot of greenery here. I don't have a cameraman, so I need a tripod. Garden rooftop. It's called Garden Rooftop over here. Amazing views, so bright, the reflections.
You know, the tree already like changing from the ground. It's the strong minerals coming, so I can see it. Yeah.
What does it say on the banner?
Now we're climbing down from the top of the mountain where we saw these amazing views. Kawah Putih. By the way, Kawah Putih, the crater has been stable since the 17th century. So it's a very long time, so you can know it's a safe place. And this day is so clear, we don't see much of smoke or anything coming out of there. It's like drying up. So we just see the beautiful reflections of the clouds. And now this is going downhill. Downhill in between these trees and this looking beautiful nature place. Oh, we gotta jump now. And here we are, the exit. So we arrived at the tea plantation.
So who owns this land?
It's owned by the government.
A government?
From the 1870, from Netherlands, they
Okay.
first went to here,
Okay.
and now they give to the government of Indonesia.
Okay.
So in the Second War, 1965, they already finished
Okay.
the Second War,
Yeah.
and all they give to Indonesia.
All right.
There's around 3,044 hectares.
Wow.
Bricks, yeah?
So when is the harvesting time? When do they
Every
harvest?
day.
Every day?
Every
But
day.
no one's
Place.
here except tourists.
Today here, today there, the next day, the next day. Always.
But we don't see
So-
anybody harvesting now.
Now it's normally 11 o'clock. They stop, depend on the
Early
weather.
morning.
Early morning, 5 o'clock. Normally 4:30 for 5 o'clock. Normally.
Okay, so which means they are all ready, like
This
every time.
already harvest. You can see it.
There's also a lake here behind me used by the locals people, but it's dried out. So just a small lake of brown water. We're probably going to see the crater from up close, from the base level. But still, this is an incredible view. We got back to where we parked and it's break time. Tour guides have their cigarette break. The tobacco leaves. Where are the tobacco leaves for cigarettes?
Tobacco is not good.
Do you make those?
Yeah, no. Sometimes yeah. It's
You, you roll them? People roll them here?
Yes, yes.
So now we're at the bottom, going to see the crater up close, and this is the main entrance. We're at the bottom of the crater, and this, you can smell the sulfur. It's not that strong, but it is tingling my nose. My nose is itchy. What's up?
Hello guys, hello.
This is my new friend, Teman
Yes,
Baru.
teman baru.
Seminit cup.
I'm not Thai.
Okay.
You are vlogger?
Yeah, vlogging.
Oh, you are vlogger.
What do you want to say to America?
Yes. Alright.
Barack Obama. Barack Obama.
You pass ya?
Sir, I'm like Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Casino.
Las Vegas.
Yes.
You gamble out.
Sick.
Dangerous.
Casino.
Hati-hati.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Danger. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Makasih.
Bye.
Okay.
Stepped on sulfur and it's like muddy sulfur. We were over there at the top. Now we're down here at the bottom. So the tour guide doesn't recommend going on the bridge over there because you have to pay extra for that, and if there are more tourists paying for that, they'll build another one and ruin the natural beauty of here. Yeah. So we don't want another pier. We want it more natural here. And people are coughing, so it makes you cough here. Guys, this is a great tour. It's a great tour. Umian is a really good tour guide. He's taking his time and allowing us to walk around, explore, explaining stuff, and well, there's smoke coming in right now, steam coming out. And yeah, I recommend the tour. It's very good. It's better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like dark or cloudy like other people have shown, but today's beautiful weather. It's amazing. Worth coming here to Kawah Putih. We're down with Kawah Putih. We're leaving now. Go and have lunch. It's a good time. Beautiful place. They have horses here if you want to ride. Pictures of horses, look. More vendors here selling lots of strawberries.
Strawberry,
Dari mana strawberry?
Dari sini, dari
Okay.
Indonesia.
Dekat. Yeah, but it's we have a close by the farm. Dekat. Yes. What else do you have? Candy. Manis. Oh, strawberry jam.
Strawberry jam.
Okay, I'll go eat and then buy some strawberries. What? Apa? Miskir?
Kerupuk miskin.
What is that? Apa ini?
Cracker.
It's from bebek?
Bebek.
No?
No.
No?
Shampoo.
Shampoo.
Aci shampoo.
Shampoo. Okay.
Aci shampoo di poek.
So
Digoreng
it's
bukan sih?
not a daging, tidak daging, from animal. Okay. Right, yes. Nice smile, you have a nice smile. Kamu cantik. Dari Amerika.
Amerika.
That's what the restaurant looks like inside here. And if you want to wash your hands, you have this sink with a bucket water. And the kitchen rumah dapur. Apa nama dapur? Dapur is kitchen. And this nice lady making makanan. We have tempeh. Yes, tempeh, satay.
Yeah, yes, I
Gadu-gadu.
that's it.
Rice, tempeh. I messed up the first shot, so I'm gonna do it again.
Check on start.
So I'm eating the tofu now. Tofu. This is good tofu. Best part. And this is satay. Chicken, very small. But so good. Love the peanut flavor. Yeah, so this is snake fruit. It's probably called that because it looks like a snake skin, right? So you peel it, and yeah, it's not difficult to peel. It's a dry skin. So like petals, it's like flower petals, right? So you eat the whole thing. Oh my god! Oh, it's like durian. Oh, it's like durian, but less stinky. And it's more sweet and bitter. Well, yeah, it's better than durian. I don't like durian. But okay.
Yang itu 35.
30.
Oh, yang ini 30 biarin, yang ini kasih 20.000.
Apa? 30?
30.
Clean?
Belum.
Bisa.
Tadi cuci dulu lagi. Cuci dulu aja ya.
Bisa.
Ya, cuci lagi aja. Iya, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Makasih.
Strawberry bang?
Is it good?
No, it's bad.
Thank you.
Let's look over there from the lady. Yeah, let's watch. We watch these.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Watch.
Yeah.
Strawberries. Thank you. Just one more stop here after the Kawah Putih trip. We go to see this beautiful field of tea. More tea leaves. It's a tea plantation. Looks amazing. Looks like a rice field in Bali.
Before when we visit is Papua tea plantation. This one is Ranca Bali tea plantation. Yeah?
This is included in the tour. Amazing views. Sky is cloudy over there. Clear on that side. It might be raining soon. But man, this is like the Windows XP background, right? You know Windows XP, you remember that? This is like the background of Windows XP. Come on, admit it. Now we're heading to Kawah Renganis, where we'll find hot springs in the newest and longest suspension bridge in Indonesia, or maybe the world. Let's find out. Oh, they're hot. The rocks are hot. I'm not even gonna touch it. The rocks are hot. The steam's coming out of here naturally. This is true natural hot spring. The water evaporate?
Yeah, they are trying to clean it.
Oh,
But behind that is still a pool. Also
But-
the corner is hotter. Yeah?
so they removed it. It's not like evaporated normally.
Yeah, to
naturally?
clean it. Yeah.
Ah, they're
Yesterday
cleaning
because it's busy, so they
Ah.
clean it today.
Oh, yep, it's hot.
We go for a therapy or something.
For what?
What therapy? Right?
Oh,
Like
therapy.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at all the trash. Why do people throw trash here? It's so bad for them to throw trash. Guys, stop throwing trash in nature, please. So bad. You're destroying tourism if you're throwing trash in nature. They're smoking sulfur. Let's get closer to the vapor.
See? Look.
Yeah, I blew the vapor.
Look.
Smoke vapor. It's coming from the rocks. Oof, that was kuching. Kuching. Okay, here you go. The floating chairs. Kerajaan Sultan.
Yes.
Berapa lama menit?
2 menit 19 detik.
Huh?
2 menit.
Ah, about to go on this bridge. Here's a ticket. Bridge.
Okay.
You can see. I'm officially walking on the longest suspension bridge in Southeast Asia, and we're gonna be high. It's gonna be very high right now. It's definitely wobbly. It's definitely shaking. It's not me. It's the bridge. The bridge is shaking. This is like Jurassic Park 3. Did you see Jurassic Park 3?
Yes.
Yeah, this also reminds me of Indiana Jones. Did you see Indiana Jones? The movie? Now we're gonna do a Luwak coffee tasting. Now that we finished the tour, we stopped by at a cafe on the mountain. Some amazing views and amazing coffee. Not just any coffee, but of course Luwak coffee. So, sunset time, let's enjoy this view and some Luwak coffee. I'll describe the taste if it's any different here. Okay, this place is better than Bali because we got the Luwak coffee here. We didn't have to pay for this view. We didn't have to pay to park our bike. What's Luwak taste like? Wow, it's a lot of flavor. This flavor is good. Still bitter though. I also ordered satay ayam. Satay ayam. Satay soup. First time I'm trying it. It's surprisingly good. It's like chicken noodle soup. It's got that chicken flavor and more vegetables. So it's got flavor with vegetables like cabbage and bean sprouts, and yeah, it's tasty and makes some cumin flavor. Cumin. Terima kasih. Selamat malam. Anak-anak. Food. What's the name? What's the name? Apa nama di sini?
Cara kopi. Cara is luwak Sundanese.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And that's the luwak. Yeah, can you
Yes.
show the luwak coffee.
Yeah, we have luwak plantation, animal luwak.
How much is the luwak coffee here?
And this one, 100 gram to 200,000.
Oh, that's
And this one, 500, 100,000. This border is bean.
okay.
Okay.
Great.
Thank
okay.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Kawah Putih. Kawah Putih.